using place value to add 3-digit numbers. This just basically means you're going to stack and add. I already know you're very good at this. You're going to be good at this when we practice it too. The first thing we need to do is we need to read the story. Please read the problem.
Dan is planning a trip to Australia.
Okay, whoa, let's not make that up. It is Dante is planning a trip to Illinois. His
airplane leaves from Dallas, Texas, and stops in
Oklahoma. It leaves from Dallas, Texas, and stops in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Then it flies from Tulsa to Chicago, Illinois. How many miles does it fly?
Okay. You're going to use place value to add the two add-ins that they give you. So the two numbers you were adding are what?
585 and 236.
Yes, 236 and 585. First, you need to estimate those two numbers. What does 236 round to the nearest hundred? It gives to you on paper if you're really paying attention, but if you just want to figure it out yourself too, you can just tell me. Raise your hand.
200.
200. What does 585 round to?
600.
600. So now we need to add 200 plus 600. What does that equal?
800.
Okay. Write your estimate down, please. Then step 1 is to stack and then add the ones places. So the two numbers in the one place are 6 and 5, and 6 plus 5 is
11.
So you have to put a 1 here, and you put the 1 at the top of the tens, because you have 1 tens and 1 ones. So you keep the 1 in the ones place. They did the 1 in the tens place for you. They carried that 1 over to the tens for you. Step 2, add the 10. So you're adding 3 and 8, and then the 1 that you carried over. What is 3 plus 8 plus 1?
12.
Oh, we have 2 different numbers.
11. It's 11.
Okay, hold on.
Because 8
You had to add the 1.
8
Remember,
plus 3
8
equals 11.
plus 3 equals 11. Add 1 more. That is
12. It's
okay.
because
And they added the 1 for you. That's why. Yes, they're adding the ones for you. You have to make sure you're looking at the whole numbers. Then you add the hundreds. 5 plus 2 plus 1. What is that?
8.
8. So 236 plus 585 is what answer?
128.
Not 100.
821.
821. So Dante flies how many miles?
821.
Okay. Since, what was our answer?
821.
Okay, since 821 is close to our estimate of what? What was our estimate?
800.
800. We know that our answer of 821 is reasonable because it's close. If you were to round 821 to the nearest hundred, would it be 800? Yes. Okay. So that's how you can check to make sure you're kind of good, that you did your math correctly. Okay? Now, you can also use the commutative property of addition to check your work. You just change the order of the add-ins to find the sum. We had 238 on the top and 585 on the bottom, right? Do you see how they flipped that? Now 585 is on the top and 236 is on the bottom. Go ahead and add those again and see what you get. See if you get the same answer.
Yep. No, I
right? You're not supposed to add them. You're only supposed to add the 10 parts.
Yep. What do you want us to do?
Just this plate. That's all you do. Because then you do this one next. Okay. Did you guys get 821 again? Because 5 and 6 is
11.
11. 8 plus 3 plus 1 is
12.
12. Add the 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is
8.
8. Okay, next page, please. Okay. No noises. Okay, now you can do this 2 ways. They're showing you the break apart strategy again. But before we're going to do that, we are trying to find what are we trying to find? The sum of what 2 numbers?
563
Plus,
48.
what is 500? They rounded 563 to the nearest 50. Okay? 563 to the nearest 50 or the nearest 25 is 550. That's their estimate for you because they're using compatible numbers. Okay? They're using compatible numbers to find this. And 48, they rounded that to 50 as well. Or 50 to the nearest 50 or the nearest 25. Okay, so what's 550 plus 50?
600.
So write that in, 600. That's our estimate. So when we're done, I want to see if our answer is close to our estimate. Okay, breaking apart 563. We have 500 plus
60
plus,
3.
okay. And breaking apart 48, you have 40 plus
8.
8. Okay, what's 8 plus 3? 11. What's 60 plus 40?
100.
100. So you write 100 there.
Wait.
I know, this isn't the other way, but we're going to add all these up this way. Yes, we could carry the 100 over, but we're not going to do that at this point. Okay, and then we have 500 plus nothing is
500.
500. Now you're going to add them together. What's 500 plus 100?
600.
What's 600 plus 11?
611.
611. Now, let's check our answer with our estimate. Are they close?
Yes.
600 and 611 are close. Now try it with place value. I want you guys to add this all by yourselves right now. 563 plus 48. Just doing it, stacking and adding. Did you get the same answer?
Yes.
All right. Read the directions for the bottom part then.
Use place value to add.
Okay, this time you're not just adding 2 numbers, you're adding 3 numbers. Okay, so you're going to kind of stack and add, but before we do that, they want to estimate. What's 140? They're rounding that to the nearest 25 or the nearest 50, which would be 140 should go up to, is it closest to 0 or closer to 50? 50. 40 is closer to 50, so it'd be 150. Is 157 closer to 50 or 100? 157 is closer to 50 or 100?
50.
It's closer to 50. Usually, if you're saying to the nearest 100, it would be go up 100. But I'm saying to the nearest 50. And so because this is 57, that's only 7 more than 50. So it's 450.
And there is no other.
Then 300 close to, what is it? 301 closest to 300 or 350? 300. So now you have 150 plus 450 plus 300. 150 plus 450 plus 300. Okay. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is what?
0.
5 plus 5 plus 0 is
10.
10. Add the 1 on top. 3 plus 4 is
7.
add 2 more.
9.
So the estimate is
9. 200. 900.
okay. Do you guys have that written down?
Yep.
Now you're going to not estimate anymore. You're finding the real answer for the real question. 140 plus 157 plus 301. Add the ones first. What's 0 plus 7 plus 1?
8.
Okay, 8. Now, step 2. What's 4 plus 5 plus 0?
9.
9. What's 1 plus 4 plus 3?
8.
8. So what's the answer?
898.
Is 898 close to 900?
Yes.
So our answer is reasonable. Now let's do B.
I don't get it.
Add 173, 102, and 328. First, we have to estimate. So, to the nearest 100 is 100. What is 173 round to? The nearest 100. 173. What would that round to? Everybody?
200.
What does 102 round to?
100.
102
That's easy.
would round to.
100.
328 would round to.
300.
Okay, they did give you these answers. They're right here. So what is 200 plus 100 plus 300?
Oh, 600.
600. So you're going to write 600 right here in your estimate. Now we're going to actually really add the real numbers, not the estimates. So 173 is on top. 102 is in the middle. 328 is on the bottom. So now you have to add the ones places first, right?
Yes.
So that would be 3 and 2 and 8. What's 3 plus 2 plus 8? Or 2 plus 3, or 8 plus 2 plus 3. Woo! Think about it for a minute. 8 plus 2. Then 3 more. What is it, everybody?
13.
13.
It's giving you the answer on the other one.
Okay, well, you're getting ahead of us then. Now, step 2. 7 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. Everybody?
10.
10. But they have the one for you. So you can pretend, or you can put your own one above or with that one. Like, go over the blue one. Okay, now 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 6. So what answer did they get?
603.
603. Is that close to 600?